Hello programmers, in this video we're going to discuss about the types of joins in Apache Spark with Java. Fine. There are 7 types of joins available in Apache Spark and the types are InnerJoin, LeftJoin, RightJoin, FullJoin, SemiJoin, AntiJoin and CrossJoin. Fine, let's start with the dependent libraries. To perform join operations in Spark, we need only the Spark core and Spark SQL is more enough. And here you can see I have used only these two libraries and with the latest version 3.2.1. And so these are the two different JSON data which I'm going to use to demonstrate the join in Spark, and it's having the fields like ID, discount, in another JSON, ID, name, country and gender. ID fields gives the relations between these two JSONs. You can see that ID 12367. Here it's a ID 12345. Fine, let's get into the program. Here you can see the simple Java class and it's a simple main method. Here I just restricting the logs. I mean only the Spark error logs will get print, and here I just creating the Spark session object with the app name as a joins and the master as a local. Here I just getting the file path, and here I just loading the file into the Spark dataset with the option as a multi-line true, and here I just displaying the records. Fine, let's start with InnerJoin. When we go with InnerJoin in Spark, it will return only the matched record from the both dataset. And let's see how the InnerJoin work in Spark. And I have created a simple function name called InnerJoin, and which accept the two input parameters like dataset 1 and dataset 2. And here you can see I am using the DS1, so now it will act as a left hand side dataset, and the DS2 it will work as a right hand side dataset. And here I just using the conditional function, so I just with the help of that ID field. And let's see what are the different ways to achieve the inner join in Spark. So either we can go with the inner keyword, and here the I is uppercase, and the next thing is I is lowercase, and sometimes we don't want to define the inner keyword. So if we not define the keywords, the Spark will automatically assume if we going to perform the inner join. Fine, I just going to run the program. Let's see the result. Fine, it's got completed, and we can see, so these are the source data 1 and it's a source data 2, and these are the inner join. So we just compare with the source data. Here you can see that value 1 2 3 is available, and here the data 1 2 3 available. So the ID 1 2 3 is common to both the data set, so we can able to see the only 1 2 3. And so this is the left hand side. We can see that ID field and name field as well, and the country and gender. And let's see the right hand side fields. ID is there, and sales and discount. Fine, let's compare the data for the other join types. So you can see all the data are similar. England, America, France, male, female, male, and that ID is 1 2 3. And fine, so that's all about the inner join. And next we'll see the left join. When we go with the left join in Spark, it will return all the rows from the left hand side dataset and return only the matched record from the right hand side dataset. And here I'm just going to command the inner join, and I'm going to uncomment the left join. And here I have created a simple function name called a LeftJoin, and the same similar way I have used the input parameter as two different data set, you can see, and ds1 will act as a left hand side data set and ds2 will act as a right hand side data set. And here using the conditional with the help of the id field. And so these are the fields join types. With the help of we can achieve the left join in Spark. Either we have to go with the left keyword or left underscore outer keyword or left outer. Here the L is upper and O is uppercase, and left outer all the characters are lowercase. So if we go with any one of these keyword, so the Spark will act as a left join. Fine. I'm just going to run the program. Let's see the result. Fine, it's got completed. And you can see these are the source data 1 and source data 2, and these are the left join, and we can see. So when we go with the left join, so all the data from the left hand side it should come. Here you can see 1 2 3 6 7 1 2 3 6 7 data is there, and only the matched record from the right hand side you can see only 1 2 3. For the unmatching record the values are null. And we'll compare different keyword result. You can see that 1 2 3 6 7 and again 1 2 3 6 7, and for that 6 and 7 there is a null fields, and we will come at the remaining things. Here also you can see 1 2 3 6 7, and here also we can see null functions. Fine. And next we will see the right join. When we go with the right join in Apache Spark, it will return all the rows from the right hand side data set, and it will return only the matched record from the left hand side data set. And just going to command the left join and uncommand the right join. Fine. I have created a simple function for the right join as well, and the similar way I have used that input data parameters, and here the ds1, I mean the data set 1, it will act as a left hand side, and the ds2 will act as a right hand side. And here I'm using the conditional function with the help of the same id field. And to achieve the right join in Spark, either we have to use any one of these keys, and either we have to use right or right underscore outer or right outer. Here that R is uppercase and O is uppercase, and next thing is right outer. So here all the characters are lowercase. Fine. I'm just going to run the program. Let's see the result. Fine, it's got completed. And here you can see these are all the source data, and these are all the right join data that compare with the source. So here you can see the this will act as a left hand side, and so this will act as a right hand side. You can see all the data which is available in the result. You can see the result 1 2 3 4 5, and here there is no null value for the right hand fields, and id sales discount, and for the left hand side, so in a left hand there is no 4 and 5, and for the 4 and 5 fields there is a null, and the remaining values are available. and let's check for the other keywords. So you can see the data are very similar. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. So here also you can see 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. England, America, France, England, America, France, null, null. Fine. That's all about the right join. And next we'll see the full join. When we go with the full join in Apache Spark, it will return all the rows from the both dataset, and it will assign automatically null for the unmatched fields. I just going to command that right join. I'm going to uncommand the full join. Here I have created the simple function called full join with the dataset 1 and dataset 2. The same way, and ds1 will act as a left hand side dataset, and ds2 will act as a right hand side dataset, and here that id field will act as a conditional keyword. And to achieve the full join in a Spark, either we have to use any one of these keyword, I mean that outer, full, or full outer, and full underscore outer, and full outer. Here the F is uppercase and O is uppercase. So we have to use any one of these keyword, but it will return all same data only. Fine. I'm just going to run the program. Let's see the result. Fine, it's got completed, and you can see these are the source data, and this is the full join result. Let's compare with the source data, and in the full join we could able to see all the columns from the both data set. Here you can see name, country, gender, name, country, name, gender, country is available from the left hand side. For the right hand side, discount is IID and sales. Yeah, it's everything available, and the value is 1 2 3 4 5. The value is 1 2 3 4 5, and here we'll compare the left hand side data. 1 2 3 6 7 1 2 3, and 4 and 5 is not available in the left hand side, so the Spark will automatically assign the null for the corresponding keywords, and 6 7 is available, and the same 6 7 is not available in the left hand side, so the Spark will assign null keyword. Fine, let's compare the result with the other keywords as well. So here 2 null and here 2 null. The value 1 2 5 1 2 6 7, and here also we can see the same data. Fine, that's all about the inner join, left join, right join, and full join in Apache Spark. If you have doubt or clarification or any recommendation, please share in the comment section. Thanks for watching.